got a bit of a throat infection, so I can't really talk as long. I'm just going to talk about what to expect from the weather over the next 2 to 3 days. As we've seen today, there's been some pretty active thunderstorms about, particularly across northeastern England and also East Anglia and the southeast of England, around London area and the home counties, and across central southern parts as well. There's a fair bit of moderate to high CAPE and negative lift index values. As we're under low pressure, it's fairly unstable, and there's currently some showers or some thunderstorms affecting southeastern parts of England now. They'll carry on running through and rumbling through until sunset, and they'll slowly die out and move into the North Sea as we go on to later tonight. I'm just going to look at the potential for some quite nasty weather once again, with some more heavy rainfall into Friday. If I just quickly look, this is a high-res GFS premium model. It's on NetWeather Extra. It's not the high-res NMM, it's the GFS. I'm just going to quickly look through now. As you can see, this is 9 AM on Thursday, tomorrow. As you can see, the heavy rain is around the southwest of England, and this is going to slowly edge its way eastwards, and then what it starts to do is it starts to head east-northeast all of a sudden, and it intensifies as it does so. Met Office have a warning out for generally south of Macassar from around here for the heaviest of the rain. Met Office are going for the central parts of eastern England and the southeast for the heaviest rainfall. Other models want to take the band of heavy precipitation a little bit further northwards. So basically, I'd say the Humber, or to be honest, around the Wash southwards, looks to be the main areas of interest in terms of the heavy rainfall. So there could be some very heavy rain once again for East Midlands, southern Lincolnshire, East Anglia, and also the southeast of England. If I just flick through, then you can see by 9 AM Friday morning, it's only just clearing East Anglia and the Wash area. So it's going to be pretty much a very intense band of precipitation, and it's going to be fairly slow moving. Generally, there could be a lot of heavy rain. So I'm just going to real quickly find the chart now that'll show the total precipitation in millimetres, if I can find it. I haven't used this model for a fairly long time. I normally use the standard GFS when forecasting, and there's so many options. I'm just trying to look now. It doesn't want to show me it. Well, that's not good, is it? Let's have another look. Let's keep going down. Nope, it does not want to. No, it's not there. It's not there. If I quickly go on the convective overlook though, as you can see, your ML's in there, your ML CAPE, your 850 lapse rates, and your port. So basically, we're going to be looking at some very heavy rainfall for eastern, southeastern areas, central parts of southern England. Initially starting off with the southwest of England overnight tomorrow and into Friday. I'm just going to go real quickly look at the other charts now. I'll just look at your temperatures. As you can see, expected around 13-14 degrees for parts. We've got the heavy rain, and also further north into East Yorkshire, you're looking at 15 degrees. As we head further north into central northern England and into Scottish border territory, you're looking at 9 to 11 degrees and 8 degrees for central parts of Scotland. Yeah, so it's going to be pretty a mixed bag again this week. It's going to be going from warm to cold to warm to cold with plenty of rain. I'm just going to really quickly flick through now on the precipitation charts. If I just go back onto that now, you'll be able to see there we go. This is what I want to see. This is convective precipitation charts. So this is showing in millimetres how much of convective rain you're going to get. Obviously we're going to get frontal rain, which won't count, but this is just showing the potential for some convective precipitation. I'm just going into Saturday now. As you can see, there's not much in the way of convection, in all honesty, until we get to Saturday, and there could be quite a bit. And we're quickly just going to look on the surface base, CAPE and lift index. As you can see, on Saturday there's some CAPE values, so generally there'll be a risk of thunderstorms across parts of central southern England, running into Devon and also into the Bristol Channel area and parts of Wales, West Midlands, and also central parts of England. If I flick through, I'll tell you what, I'll flip back and we'll just see. You can see all the Cape there, sort of near continent. France will be taking a battering like they always do. So basically, there's going to be more heavy rain Thursday, well tomorrow for southwestern parts and southern parts, overnight tomorrow night and into Friday, clearing East Anglia during Friday with heavy precipitation across East Anglia, East Midlands and central parts of southern England. Into Saturday, we're going to see potential for some showers, some heavy slow moving and some thunderstorms organising themselves across the West Midlands through to the southeast of England. Again, something like we've seen today, pretty much a textbook copy. There could be some nasty storms out there with some torrential downpours, as there will be slow moving. It could bring a lot more precipitation, and it could obviously bring the threat of localised flooding, more chance of surface flooding than river flooding. But we'll have to see what Friday and tomorrow night brings for these areas. The ground is already saturated, and we'll also keep a track on the position and timing of the precipitation as well. I think it will end up a little bit further north, probably centering the heaviest part of the precipitation around the Wash or just northwards into Lincoln. But we shall see. I'm going to issue a severe weather warning as well and a watch for the heavy rain. Generally 40 to 50 millimetres for the areas. Could be some more than that as well. So thanks very much for watching, and hopefully by the time I do a video tomorrow, my throat infection will gone. Thank you. Bye now.